Let's look at this three-phase induction motor. The rated voltage at the nameplate is 380 to 420 volts. For motor rated voltage below 1000 volts, the recommended test voltage is normally 500 volts. You may consult the motor manufacturer for the recommended test voltage. This is the electrical junction box of the motor. Select 500 volt test voltage. To measure insulation resistance between all three phases with reference to ground, connect the positive test lead or the insulation resistance tester to one of the terminal leads. Connect the negative test lead to the motor frame. Select your desired test by pressing the orange button. In this case, we are doing a spot test. Use the appropriate time test to obtain insulation resistance measurement. These same test time durations must be maintained for consistent recording to detect failure trends. Next, I will do the PI test for the polarization index value. Let's turn on the test by press on the blue test button. The test will stop after the preset test interval of the test. The insulation resistance value is 34 GΩ, very high from 1.5 MΩ minimum acceptance insulation resistance value. The PI value is 2.66, more than the acceptance value 2. This indicates the motor is good to put into use. If the test result is very low when comparing to the previous maintenance test result or below the minimum acceptance value, there may be a contamination or insulation fault on the motor. Repeat the test as each single phase with ground if the result is not satisfactory. For safety, after the test, make sure the winding is fully discharged. Residue charges may stay in the winding for quite some time, as the insulation testing is done at high voltages. The Agilent's U1450A and U1460A series insulation resistance testers have the built-in self-discharge circuits to ensure a safe discharge after the test. If your tester does not have these features, you may short the terminal with a suitable resistance with minimum 4 times the test voltage applied durations.